Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tuhina and you're watching Creative Adora.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So guys, today's video is totally based upon the Nykaa haul and this is my first Nykaa haul video, so I'm very excited for it. But before starting the video, let me tell you guys, if you are new to my video, then do subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, then don't forget to make the black come blue. So while waiting for, let's get started. So guys, the first product that I'm gonna show you is Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. Hope you can see it, or else don't worry, I'll be giving all the details in the description box below. So about the kajal, let me tell you guys, this is a smudge proof kajal and it stays for long hours. I think you must try this, guys. Its actual price is 199, but I got this for 179 rupees. So moving towards the next product, that is Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. Hope it is visible well. So it is a gel paste primer, means it creates a perfect canvas for the skin, and it also gives your skin more even. It also nourishes your skin and lock the makeup for a longer period of time. So its actual price is 750, but I got this for 700. So guys, the next product is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bioneem Purifying Face Wash. And it is purely organic in nature, guys, and it's for all skin types. So obviously it is very good for the skin too. So moving towards the price, then it is 240, but I got this for 220 only. So guys, now moving towards the next product, and the next products are these two. Yes guys, these two are my favorite Wala product, because let me explain you one by one. The first one is Lotus Herbal Vessel Tone Skin Toner. Hope it is visible well. And it's for combination to oily skin. It also used as a dirt remover, and I use this as a makeup remover also. So the beautiful thing I love about the product is it maintains my skin pH balance, and which is the most important thing for me. So its actual price is 295 rupees, but I got this for 265. Moving towards the next product, guys, this is Lotus Herbal Fruit Pack. Hope it is visible well. And I use this twice in a month, and it gives your skin a healthy radiance, a healthy skin, and it also maintains your skin pH balance. And the best thing is that, guys, it hydrates your skin and nourishes also. So its actual price is 180, but I got this for 162 rupees. So guys, the next product that I'm gonna show you is this. Yeah guys, this is Matrix Biolish Advanced Therapy Shampoo. Hope it is visible well. This is purely best for fix the damaged hair, because after applying so many experiments on my hair, I used this shampoo for last 2 to 3 months, and it worked like a wow. Yes guys, it really worked as a magic. And if you are love to experimenting with your hairs, then you must use this shampoo. So the actual price is 335, but I got this for 323 rupees. So the next product is this, guys. Yeah, this is Swarovski Spa Cream. So I use this as a conditioner. If you want, you can use this as a conditioner, or else you can use this as a spa cream also. I use this for both the purposes, and most importantly, guys, it gives my hair a smooth, glossy and healthy look. Its actual price is 600 rupees, but I got this for 565. So guys, now it's time for the last and my favorite Wala product, this. Yes guys, this is MAC Ruby You lipstick. As such, I don't like much of the MAC products, but I love this shade. So guys, let me show you the shade then. Isn't it beautiful? I just fall in love with this shade, guys. So its actual price is 1050, and I got this for 1050 also. And moreover guys, let me show you, I got a complimentary gift from the MAC also. Here it is, and this is the 3 shades of foundation. That's all for today guys. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So till then, bye bye, Shabake, take care, stay home, stay healthy.